The air is moving very fast today. Look at the colorful leaves dance. I can feel the cold air. Air moves when the pressure changes. The window is shaking now. Oh. I will make a cup of tea. The wind sounds like a whistle. Sound moves in invisible waves. The house is talking to me. My feet are very cozy. The wind is pushing the smoke. This tool measures the speed. Whoo! It is safe and warm inside. Tap, tap goes the wood. The wind is coming from the north. Now the rain is starting. This wool is so thick. Reading is my favorite hobby. A tornado is a very strong wind. The fire is dancing. The fire is very hot. The tree is very strong. Roots stay deep in the earth. This fruit is very crunchy. Time is passing quickly. The sunset is very pretty. The world turns around and around. Hygiene is very important. The soap is very soft. The water is nice and cool. I am ready for bed. This towel is very dry. My bed looks so comfortable. A little light is good. My ears can hear the noise. Ooh! The moon is very large tonight. The room is silent and calm. everything is peaceful tonight.
Hoo-woo! The sun is back again. Breakfast is very healthy.
I love my happy home. The air feels very fresh. This is a tiny gift.
The wind took the leaves.
Nature is always changing. The bird is thirsty today.
Grapes are small and round. Wash the fruit before you eat.
I will make a new scarf.
Click, clack, go the needles. Loop the yarn over the needle.
My hair is a bit messy.
Oh, I love listening to music. Music makes me feel happy.
It is a peaceful afternoon.
The time moves slowly in the quiet house.
The butterfly is very pretty. Butterflies change a lot. My shadow is following me.
Milk is white and cold. This is a delicious snack. Keep your hands very clean. I am writing to my friend.
The sun is sinking low.
The tilt makes the day short. It is a cozy autumn night. Whoa. The day was very long.
The stars are beautiful in the dark sky.
Learning is an adventure. Goodbye.